In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $2,000 a month by spending just 10 minutes a day on Pinterest. Stick around because I will reveal the exact steps that will guarantee you starting making money right away. So first thing first, when you are setting up for your brand, the name is super important. But here's the thing, don't overthink it. It's easy to get caught up in trying to come up with something quirky or unique, but trust me, keeping it simple is the best way to go. Think of it like this, you want people to remember you, right? And if your name is something like Go Muscle Science Man, as sweet as that sound, is not going to stick. Just keep it plain and straightforward. Something like Fitness Science. Your name should do the job without too much force. Once you have got sorted, it's time to think about your logo. Now, I'm not saying you need to be a graphic design pro here, but your logo should look professional. Remember, you are putting yourself out there as a salesperson. Yep, that's right. You are selling something, and first impression matter. A clear professional logo can go a long way in building trust. Second, affiliate marketing. Now, here's where things get a bit trickier: posting content. This is the part that can feel overwhelmed. You are probably wondering, what the heck do I post? How do I even start getting people to notice what I'm selling? Don't worry, we are gonna walk you through this together. Let me give you an example. I recently set up a Pinterest account called California Finance. Just for this purpose, it's not fancy, just something simple and accessible. But here's the kicker. You have got to make sure it's professional. People are going to judge whether they want to buy from you based on your name and logo. It's kind of like dressing up for a job interview. You want to look the part, okay? So I know what you are thinking now. But what am I selling? I don't have a product, I don't have a website. I am just starting and trying to figure this out. That's where affiliate marketing comes in. And if you are new to this, let me break it down for you. It's pretty straightforward. You promote someone else's product, and when it sells, you get a commission. Simple as that. For example, I sell a course on TikTok which teach people how to make money like entrepreneurs. Every time I sell one, I get a commission, 80% to be exact. That means for every sale, I pocket around $12.99. Not bad, right? The creator of the course gets the other 20% and everyone happy. This is the essence of affiliate marketing, helping others make sales while earning a cut for yourself. But now comes the big question. How do you actually get people attention? This is where Pinterest comes in handy. Pinterest is like a gold mine for driving traffic to whatever you are promoting. The key is in the posts you create. Number 3, editing. Let's talk about how to do step by step. First, you are going to need some visual because let's face it, Pinterest is all about the visual. I suggest using Canva for this. If you have not heard of Canva, it's basically an online design tool that make it super easy to create professional looking images. Even if you have zero design skills, the best thing is it's free. So hop over to Canva and tap in Pinterest pin. You will get this blank canvas where you can start creating your post. Now, the big question is, what are you going to promote? There's a ton of stuff you could focus on. Maybe you are into cooking, maybe you all about DIY craft. And for this example, let's stick with something that is really hot right now. Make money using AI. Here is what I did. I headed over to Warriors Plus, which is a platform where you can find tons of product to promote as an affiliate. I went straight to the affiliate section and clicked on offers. This is where you browse to different products and pick the one that suits you best. I found one that I'm really into, which is the high ticket AI product. I actually promote this myself, so I know it works. The product claims to help you make money using AI. Basically, the AI does the hard work for you. Once you know what you are promoting, it's time to create your Pinterest post. Back on Canva, you want to design something that grabs attention. Photos are huge on Pinterest, so find a good image that represents what you are promoting. For example, I searched for images related to money on Pinterest, and I found one that had this cool layout of cash. It's eye-catching and it draws people in. That's what you want. Something that makes people stop scrolling and take a closer look. To get that image, I used a site called PinterestDownloader.com. I know it sounds sketchy, but it's the first one I found, and it works fine. You paste the link to the Pinterest image you want, and it lets you download it in high quality. Once you have got your image, you drag and drop it into Canva, and boom, you are ready to start designing. It will take some time, and to not waste your time, let's head to the next step. Number 4, title. Now let's talk about the title for your post. This is crucial because it's the first thing people will read, and you want to make it intriguing. Think about what's trending right now. AI is huge, so I went with something like how I made $250 a day using ChatGPT. You want something that piques curiosity and make people want to click. So choosing the right font is also important. You want it to look clean and professional, not too fancy or hard to read. Once you have got everything looking good, hit that download button and save your post as a PNG for the best quality. Number 5, posting. Okay, so now you have got your post ready, head back over to Pinterest, click on create and upload your image. This is where you add your title and description. Keep it short and sweet. Pinterest does not like overly long description. In the description, you can hint at what the post is about, but don't give away too much. Something like this side hustle will replace your traditional job. You want to leave people wanting more, so they click through to your link. Speaking of links, this is where you will drop in your affiliate link. But here's a tip. Don't just paste the link as it is. It can look spammy and people might not trust it. Instead, use a link shortener like bit.ly to make it look cleaner. Then copy the shortened link and paste it into your Pinterest post. You are almost there. Before you publish, make sure everything looks good. I like to add a little emoji like a cash symbol to make it more eye-catching. Then hit publish and there you go. You have got your first affiliate post up on Pinterest. But here's the thing, you're not going to see results overnight. I know everyone wants instant success, but that's not how it works. You need to be patient and consistent. When I first started, it took me about a few months to see any real success. I was posting regularly, but I was not doing it quite right at first. It's all about trial and error. You have got to keep at it. Post regularly, at least a couple of times a day if you can. It might take a few weeks before you start seeing any traction, but once you do, it's like a snowball effect. One thing I have learned is that consistency is key. I know it's not the most exciting advice, but it's true. If you can stick with it and keep posting regularly, you will start to see the result. It's just a numbers game at the end of the day. The more you put out there, the more opportunities you create for yourself. And who knows, you might even surprise yourself with how much you can achieve. Now, if you like to learn how to earn money just by listening to music, make sure to click this one, somewhere here or here. But don't click on it just yet. Make sure to subscribe if you want to grow your wealth, okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you over there. Peace, bye.